Here we have a 2024 R-Pod 171 Classic, part of one of the most successful and recognizable lightweight travel trailers in the RV industry. We've carried them for over a decade, and R-Pod's really set the standard for compact, lightweight campers. The 171's been their best seller over time, one of the original floor plans. Comes in at just around 2,800 pounds, making it very easy to tow for many small SUVs, crossovers, light trucks. We're going through the kitchen right now. They do have the newer countertop. There is a gas electric fridge, and gas is going to be ideal if you are dry camping, which I know a lot of our pod owners are. All right, a couple nice additions, but you get the queen bed in the back with 3 windows around. There's nice storage underneath the bed. There's your sunshade that works as your awning on the outside. Here's your bathroom. I did want to show this does have a full-size air conditioner, 13,500 BTU, so it'll stay nice and cool. All right, your sink and shower head and toilet and your full bathroom. All right, and then we'll check out the exterior. All right, you just get kind of classic styling, nice aluminum wheels. They do a nice fender on here too, made of metal. And then your narrow body design, and you got nice aerodynamics, so this should tow very well. I'm opening up your storage compartment here. That's underneath your bed. You see all the aluminum framing, and that'll pass all the way through. There's your spare tire, and it is a one-piece fiberglass roof. Pretty interesting to watch them build it. They stretch that big piece and get it, fit it right in there. I have been to the R-Pod plant. You have a 6-gallon water heater on this side, black tank flush. There's the backside of your refrigerator. All your water connections are on this side. All right, there you are, the 2024 R-Pod Classic 171C. Come see it today, Collier RV, and experience why R-Pod continues to be one of the most trusted names in lightweight camping. Thanks.